Hello friends, you are welcome to BAI, Being an Engineer YouTube channel. Today we will learn about first angle and third angle method of projection. It is the most asked question in design engineers interview, that is, what is the first angle and third angle of projection. To understand this, first we will understand quadrant system. Let's see. Here this green color line is a vertical plane and this yellow color line is a horizontal plane. It's the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. If we assume this in a space and plot its 3D view, it will look something like this. Here is the first, second, third and fourth quadrant. This is a vertical plane and this is an horizontal plane. This we will consider as a XY line. Now consider this as the object for which we are going to plot a drawing, and all of these are the planes of projection. Side by side we will write down the difference between first angle of projection and third angle of projection. In first angle of projection, object is placed in first quadrant like this. Similarly, in third angle of projection, object is placed in third quadrant like this. This is the first difference between first angle and third angle of projection method, that object is placed in first quadrant and object is placed in third quadrant. Consider observer means you, and you are here looking towards the object like this, and in case of third angle you are here and looking towards object in this way. Here we got the second difference, that in first angle of projection, object lies in between observer and projection plane, while in third angle, projection plane lies in between object and observer. Now here you are directly able to see object, so we assume this plane of projection as a non-transparent. But in case of third angle of projection, we have to see an object through the plane of projection. That's why we assume that plane of projection is transparent, so we can see an object through plane of projection. So plane of projection is non-transparent and plane of projection is transparent. Now we will plot the views of first angle of projection. Here these are the projections of the views and this is a front view. Similarly, for top view, consider observer is looking from top like this. So top view will come here likewise. Now consider this as a single paper which is folded in 90 degree like this. This is a XY line. Now if we rotate this horizontal plane in clockwise direction to plot in a single paper, this view will look like this. This is a XY line, this is a front view, and this is a top view of object. Similarly, for third angle of projection, observer is here looking towards the object through this transparent plane. So front view will be like this, and if we plot top view, observer will be here looking through this transparent plane. So view will come like this. Again, we will rotate this horizontal plane in clockwise direction to plot the views on a single paper. This is a XY line, this is a front view, and this is a top view. Now here in first angle of projection, front view is drawn above the XY line and top view is drawn below the XY line, while in third angle of projection, front view is drawn below the XY line and top view is drawn above the XY line. So we got two differences here. Front view is drawn above the XY line and here front view is drawn below the XY line. Top view is drawn below the XY line and here top view is drawn above the XY line. And again, if you want to draw other views also, I will make it easy to remember for you. This is a front view and this is a top view. Same here, this is a front view and this is a top view. in first angle of projection, top view is drawn below the front view. In the same way, right hand side view will be drawn at the left hand side of front view and vice versa. In third angle of projection method, top view comes above front view. So right hand side view will be at right hand side of front view and left hand side view will be at left hand side of front view. Here I won't tell you how it is plotted right hand side view and left hand side view in deep. You people have to find it. Now this is the next difference, that left hand side view is plotted on the right hand side and vice versa, and here left hand side view is plotted on the left hand side and vice versa. Now we will see in which regions which method is used. In India and European regions, first angle of method is used, while in USA third angle method is used. Now we will summarize what we have learned. Summary: in first angle of projection, object is placed in first quadrant, while in third angle of projection, object is placed in third quadrant. Second, object lies in between the observer and the projection plane, and here projection plane lies in between the object and observer. Third, we have assumed plane of projection as the non-transparent, and here plane of projection as a transparent. Fourth, front view is drawn above the XY line, front view is drawn below the XY line. Fifth, top view is drawn below the XY line, and here top view is drawn above the XY line. Left hand side view is plotted on the right side of front view and vice versa, and here left hand side view is plotted on the left side of front view and vice versa. Seventh, this method majorly used in India and European countries, and this method is majorly used in the USA. Friends, again, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more such videos.